Hello there. My name is Daniel Wiersema, and I'm the Senior Social Media Manager here at Bitly. Yep, not the intern. If you're like me, long on social media responsibilities and short on time, then finding the right tools, optimizations, and shortcuts are absolutely crucial to your survival as a social media manager. That's why you're going to love the new Bitly Marketplace. It's our hub for tech tool integrations that seamlessly connect Bitly with your favorite social media management platforms. In between social post writing, graphic design, video editing, strategy sessions, maybe a quick cry, your time is precious. I've already got 47 tabs open on my browser, so if I have to jump once more between tools, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't want that for me, and we don't want that for you. That's why this Bitly integration is my most used workflow hack. Here's the deal. You don't want long links. They're gross, untidy, a bit spammy looking. You want short, branded, beautiful URLs. We can help. As your go-to link shortener, you can paste those long links into your Bitly dashboard, add UTMs, if that's what you do, and then like magic, you have yourself a short link. But what if you could just skip right past us and do all of that in your social media platform? Spoiler alert, you can. With the Bitly integration, you can shorten your links with the bit.ly that you know and love, or with your brand's custom domain right in 20. That's right, 20 leading social media management tools. From Hootsuite to Sprout Social to Buffer and HubSpot, plus many more, Bitly works right where you do. No more making links in your Bitly dashboard, smashing the copy button, and then jumping over to paste in your publisher, and then staring at the dialog box trying to come up with the perfect caption. And while we can't help you with the caption part, actually, we can shorten right in your preferred program, and then you've got more time to get witty with it. And your time is valuable. As April Ludgate once said, time is money, money is power, power is pizza, pizza is knowledge. So if Bitly integrations means more pizza and more knowledge, well, then I can't make a better case than that. Well, what about all the links you just created, though, in the social media platform? Well, thanks to integration, they're sitting snugly back in your Bitly analytics dashboard, ready for you to dive in, look at their click counts and impact, just when the boss asks for them in a hasty Slack message. Taking advantage of Bitly plus your favorite social media management tool is easy peasy. Just head over to the Bitly marketplace, find your social tool, click their logo. Each platform has their own profile and information on how to connect your Bitly account to your publisher. It takes a few minutes of your time and promises to save you hours of work, and maybe even adds a few years back to your life. No promise on your last part. Connecting your social media tool is short and sweet, just like a Bitly link. If you found this session useful and want to get the most out of the Bitly Connections platform, please give me, Bitly, a follow on the social media channels from your personal and work accounts. We're always sharing tips and tricks to get the most out of your Bitly account. And well, help a fellow social media manager with his monthly metrics reporting. I follow back too.